Some weeks ago, one of our teachers shared something that happened in his class. There's this boy. He doesn't respond like the others. While everyone else was clapping, singing, following along, he was just there. Not stubborn, not distracted, just lost. So instead of calling him out or telling him to try harder, the teacher walked over. No instrument, nothing complicated. Just clap and repeat. First try, nothing. Second try, a tiny movement. Third try, he got it. And when he did, he smiled and looked up. Okay, now I get it. Moments like these might look small, but they are huge. Most times, when a child is quiet in music class, it's not disinterest, they are just lost. Many people think music class is about piano, singing, or theory. But before all that, a child needs something simple, something they can connect to, something that makes them think, I understand this. That's what we focus on. Real classroom moments,
Welcome to
simple
St.
ways
Mary's
to help
Academy,
children
Dr.
understand
Adesina. We
music
are
better. Follow us to see how children truly learn, not just play.